Hi, welcome to our project AI-based fitness tracking and counting system. In this project, we are going to learn about a basic fitness tracking and counting system. We all know that when performing fitness exercises, it's helpful to have a companion to count repetitions and verify proper form. To eliminate the need for a human, we have developed a basic fitness tracking and counting system that can do this automatically. The system analyzes different activities that a person is performing. For example, it can detect how many push-ups were done or how many chest fly exercises were performed. In this project, we have considered 4 different fitness activities in total. The camera captures the user performing exercises and the system identifies which activity is being performed and how many repetitions have been completed. Using this setup, we can identify all activities and their counts automatically without human intervention. The system leverages the MediaPipe library to detect skeleton joints of the human body. On top of this skeleton detection, we write custom logic to identify 4 different fitness activities and track the number of repetitions. To interact with the system, we use a Tkinter graphical user interface to upload a video of the exercise session. The system then provides real-time results showing which activity is being performed and the number of repetitions completed. This makes fitness tracking easy, accurate, and fully AI-powered. Thank you for watching.